Musamsaleko gave Mpumelelo so much power, and he even thinks he's above Musamsaleko, which is wrong. Even if he did not agree with Macele, there was no need for him to disrespect Macele. Mpumelelo is so rude. Noma kuthiwa uyinsizwa, you don't speak about your mothers that way. Umacele, she's still above him, no matter how grown he think he is. It seems like Mpumelelo knows too much. So anyway, guys, let me tell you what happened to last night's episode, which on the next time was season 8, episode 13. At Mayene's house, Musa is there with Mayene. She requests that Mpumelelo joins them to have a meeting about what happened while Musa was in the hospital. At the meeting with Manto, so Mayene, she had a meeting with Mamkulu. Manto has raised the scene that happened last season, season 7, where Musa has taken Mpumelelo to their house, which it was built for Musamsaleko's mother, Coco Flo. Musa has instructed Mpumelelo to renovate their house in preparation for Macele, which it was intended to marry her as his wife, number 1. Number 2 was going to place at Mayene's house. So Umayeni was like, Umanto, he's sleeping next to Babake every day. First to ask him about the house issue from the last season to now. He only asked Umayeni about it. That if that is now Mpumelele's house, where will her children go? Therefore, she wants to see to where she will build a home for her children. So, Umayeni, guys, you were saying, she doesn't understand why Umayeli, she's asking her about the house and Goba Ubone Umusamsaleko taking Mpumelelo to the house. And now she wants to know what's in Ganzake Gobe. Some are saying, Umayeli, she's wrong. Washo ukuthi yena ingane zakhe ngeke zihlale eMzumbe. Right now when he see ukuthi Musamsaleko, he wants Mpumelelo to renovate the house, uya complainer. Yes, people are saying ukuthi Umacele was wrong, but there was no need for Mpumelelo to disrespect Umacele. Guys are saying ukuthi no one is gonna say anything, yena he's in charge. So he was saying a lot of stuff ukuthi when it comes to Lendlo yaka Mzumbe, he's gonna do whatever he wants. He's not gonna listen to anyone. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment.